Does not matter which state you are from. If it rains, it floods. And then yesterday there was this news about the flash floods in Khirganga, Uttarkashi, which left 4 people dead and 60 odd missing, with like almost a village which has gotten wiped off. Heard news of the landslides, of the flash floods, of the loss of life. It's because I don't think we respect the mountains enough. A place that was supposed to be for peace, calm, serenity, meditation has today become a place for DJ parties, loud cars, loud people, major pollution, which that particular fragile ecology cannot handle.